Okay, so today I am doing some shopping at the Houston Farmers Market that just opened. It used to be known as the Canino Farmers Market. When I was a kid, we used to come all the time, but I'm super excited to see how they revamped it. And I don't know, I need some ingredients for some recipes this week, so here we go. Okay, so here we are at the Houston Farmers Market. It's actually kind of nice to be out in the open air and getting some sunshine. So, the Houston Farmers Market is located across the street from El Bolillo Bakery, one of my favorite pan dulce panderias. Okay, so here we are. Now, this used to be the Canino Produce Market, like I stated earlier, and after 60 years, they closed January 26th, 2019. It's now the Houston Farmers Market, which actually was established in 1942 in a different location. So they revamped this location. It's actually an 18-acre farmers market. It's really huge in here, you guys. And a lot of the stalls are empty because it just opened. So hopefully with time, people will fill this place with a variety of fresh produce. At some point, they will have a seafood market and restaurants. But here we are, and I'm super excited. Ooh, definitely gonna do something with this. So I definitely had a nice time shopping and getting a lot of fresh ingredients, and I can't wait to get back home and create some recipes with some of those squash blossoms and some other ingredients that I got. Okay, so I did some shopping. I got a lot of fresh ingredients. I'm excited. So I think I'm gonna go get something to eat. I have some family members with me I hadn't seen in a long time, and I'm gonna treat them to lunch. Okay, so I spent the morning shopping and I got a lot of fresh produce. I'm excited to get back in the kitchen. But in the meantime, we've all worked up an appetite, and I have my uncle and cousin with me. I haven't seen them in a while, so we're going to have lunch. Now, right down the street from the Houston Farmers Market is Golden Seafood. They are right off of Airline Drive. I will link all these addresses below this video, by the way. And they have a variety of seafood dishes. They are a Mexican-style seafood / American Chinese fusion restaurant. By the way, I love jarritos. Now, my shrimp fried rice recipe I will link that below, and I'll show you how I make it, is actually inspired by Golden Seafood style shrimp fried rice, because I do not like peas and carrots in my shrimp fried rice, but they do have sprouts, green onion, and just garlic and fresh ingredients. By the way, I love the fish from here. And I also do have a fried fish recipe on my YouTube channel. So anyways, I like to slather my fish with hot sauce, ketchup, and lemon and dig in. Really good stuff. So for my fried rice, I like to saute onion, the whites of green onion, a pinch of salt. I give it a saute. Now I'm going to add my crushed or minced garlic.
Next, I'm going to add day-old cold rice. It just works better in fried rice. Give that a mix, saute, and now I'm going to add my fresh bean sprouts, saute quickly, and I'm going to add a little bit of sesame oil, and I'm going to add an egg in the center, and you'll want the egg to cook first, and then once it's cooked, you start mixing it into the rice. And for the soy sauce mixture, I use a combination of soy sauce, chicken bouillon powder, a little bit of water, and it tastes great. Here I have some sauteed shrimp. You're just going to quickly mix, add some fresh green scallions, mix, and serve. This is my simple homemade shrimp fried rice inspired by golden seafood. And I will link the full recipe video in the description below. Be sure to check it out. It has been a wonderful day at the market. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you get a chance and you're in the area, check out the Houston Farmers Market. It's a really cool place. See you guys in the next video.